after SQL writing, ma'am?
SQL.
SQLs, ma'am.
What is your doubt, Srinivas?
Actually, when we are SQLs are retrieved in systems only, ma'am.
Yes.
Can we same thing we can do in mobile also?
Oh, okay, okay. I think we can do. There are some apps. Uh,
I don't know about that apps. That's why I'm asking you.
yeah, yeah,
We
yeah. I
have
think there
app.
are some apps. I have a Unix, prompt for execution of Unix programs, and also I have Python IDE. I will check, Srinivas. If I have, I will share with you.
Okay, ma'am.
Mm,
Actually, I wrote SQLs in notebook that are implemented in laptop, but I didn't have that. So that's why I want to implement in mobile.
you can do, I think, because almost all programming IDEs and in execution environments we are getting as apps in mobile.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, tell me, I will share with you, huh? Tell
Okay, ma'am.
me, Srinivas, did you go through that?
Yes. So I have some doubt whether what is, ma'am, restored data అని ఉంది కదా మేడం ఫ్లో
Hmm.
చార్ట్ లో. రీస్టోర్ రిమైండర్ రీస్టోర్ రిమైండర్ అంటే ఏంది మేడం?
Restore means, suppose restoring, what is the general meaning of restoring?
Storing is mean it stores some value. Restoring mean doesn't store, yeah, ma'am? Like
No,
that.
no, no, no. It is an English word. Restore means to go back to previous state.
To go back previous state. Okay,
Restore means to go back to previous state.
okay, madam.
That is restore. So what happened is, you
హార్డ్వేర్ కాన్ఫిగరేషన్ ఉంది కదా మేడం, అందులో చెప్పండి ఒకసారి.
okay, Srinivas, there are apps for that. I will share with you. In the
Okay.
group only I will share. SQL practice apps are available.
Arsha also said to me Memento database, but in that app we can create library and write SQLs, but I didn't understand. I already asked Arsha how to implement అంటే ఆడు చెప్తా అన్నాడు. ఫోన్ చేసి క్లియర్గా చెప్తానండి మేడం. బట్ అది కాకుండా ఇంకేమైనా ఉందేమో అని మిమ్మల్ని అడుగుతాను.
Yeah, yeah. I have shared different.
ఈజీలీ అండర్స్టాండ్.
Hmm. Okay, Srinivas. So in this, what happens is, uh, you are, as you know, when we perform subtraction operation, if a suppose a and b are two numbers, you are
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
subtracting. You are saying a minus b. Okay. In binary subtraction, a minus b means if a is greater than b, you get a carry.
ఓ యా మ్యామ్.
Do you remember that procedure where you have to add the minuend to the 2's complement of subtrahend, and if carry is generated, discard carry and obtain the result. If there
యా
is no carry, the result is in negative. Take 2's complement to find the result value. So
యా
in
మ్యామ్.
this procedure, what happens is, whenever there is a carry, it indicates that A is greater than B. When there is no carry, that is saying that B is smaller than B,
ఏ
and
లెస్ దెన్ బి.
A less than B. If you are if you are saying, um, um, okay. If you are doing this subtraction operation, or in a division, what happens is, if the number is 2, 5, 9, if the number is 259, and you are dividing it by some number 26, okay, suppose if you put 26 here, then what happens? You are getting -1, is it not?
Ma'am, can you rotate right side, ma'am? The numbers are not visible to me.
Oh, now
Little bit, ma'am.
no,
Only 9. 59 and 6.
no, 26 divided by 259.
Only 59 and 6 only, ma'am.
Okay, that side is not visible. Why it is happening like this? Okay,
Text size decrease చేయండి, ma'am.
we'll do one thing. Srinivas, are you able to look at this whiteboard?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. If suppose you write like 26 is the divisor, this is 26. You are dividing 259. And suppose if you put 1, 26, then what happens?
It not subtract, ma'am.
It will
25.
give you negative value.
Yeah, ma'am.
Is it right? Right procedure of division? Wrong procedure of division. Because you cannot get negative remainder. So what you have to do? You have to consider 259 whole number, entire
Whole name.
number. Because 25 is less than 26, what you have to do? You have to incorporate now 9 also.
Yeah,
You
ma'am.
have to consider entire 259 number, and then you have to see with which number 26 divides 259. So suppose if I say 259 divided by 26, it may be 9 times. 26 into 9 is equal to 234.
Yeah,
So
ma'am.
if I put 234, then what will be 259 minus 234? It will be 25. 25 will be the remainder. This is positive remainder. This is correct value. So here
Yeah, ma'am.
you get 9 as quotient and 25 as remainder. Mm, in binary division, when we are doing binary division, the computer system will not know what is this value and what is this value and which value is greater. Unless and until we compare using some operator, system will not know which value is greater. So for what it will do in that procedure, division procedure, what you
It
are
will
doing,
calculate.
you are just subtracting. You are subtracting, and suppose if you get a negative value, then there won't be any carry. Let
Okay.
us go back to this one. Okay, how do you first tell me how do you restore if you get -1 here, and what do you want now? You want again how to clear this whiteboard? This
Eraser, ma'am.
eraser is there.
Large eraser also there, ma'am.
Yes, yes, it is there. Um, No, Srinivas. What happens is, suppose a small child is doing this division operation. Child
Mm-hmm.
also will not recognize that 26 is greater and this is not happening. Suppose child put 26 and here he will put 1 and 26 here, and because child gets -1, child wants to restore the previous number. To restore the previous number, what you have to do, you have to add 26 again to this. uh,
26,
Actually,
25.
to restore the previous number, we have to add 26 again. When you add 26 again, if you subtract 26 from this number, 259 minus 26, it will be 233. Okay, our number is 233.
Okay.
Right. If you
Okay.
subtract 26 from 259, you will get 233. If you
Okay.
want to restore this 233 back to 259, what essentially you have to do, you have to again add 26. If you again add 26,
We get note 59.
we get 259, which is a
Previous one.
restoration process. Here we restored, means you got back the old value. This is known as restoration, restoring previous value.
Okay.
Okay,
Hmm.
so what is happening in our algorithm? In our algorithm, we are doing
Yeah, ma'am.
this.
Here restore reminder attainable one until
Yes.
clear, ma'am. After that I are clear, but here the time restore reminder. What is how Q will change? I didn't understand.
What will change?
At the restore reminder, Q value is change, ma'am. 0 11 1 0 0. How it change, ma'am?
At restore operation, what happens is you are adding b to this result. Whatever result you got after you
Two
subtract,
adding, ma'am.
again you are
0
adding
1
b.
0
B. What is b?
1 double 0 0 0 1.
That one you are adding. When you add that one, this one here.
Yeah, ma'am.
After you add this, again you will get back the previous value. Look at here, 0 1 0 1 0 1. You got again 0 1 0 1 0 1.
Yeah, ma'am.
This is restoring.
Oh, restoring mean previous value.
Yes, restoring
One.
means previous value.
How
Sub
can we decide, ma'am? Particularly that value 0 1 0 1 0.
Because this is b, this is minus b.
Yeah, yeah, ma'am.
Okay, from 0 1 0 1 0 1, if you subtract minus b, okay, you got this result, double one double zero one. This
One.
is minus b. This is a minus b. The result you obtained is double one double zero one.
One.
But it is giving negative
Zero.
zero. Zero means what? The result will be negative. You
Zero.
don't. This is like carry. E is carry, no?
I am.
E is carry bit. So if this is zero value, then it means that A is smaller than B, and that should
Yeah.
not happen. Instead of that, what you have to do, you have to add one more digit to A and then consider subtracting.
Mm.
So for that purpose, what are you doing? You are adding B to this result to restore A back, and then again you are shifting. Here
Same
you,
ship.
after you shift, then what happens? A value will be increased. Look
Yeah,
at here.
ma'am.
If this one is moved to the higher end,
Yeah, ma'am.
then A value will become greater than B.
1 0 1 0 0.
And now A is greater. So you got the carry. It means that this is positive result.
Oh, yeah, ma'am.
Okay, understand?
Ma'am, here,
Hmm.
okay, ma'am, it's clear. Here Q is 01100 mean enable is whenever enable e value is 1. In that case only the Q value change, ma'am. Qn value is equal to 1 next.
Qn is what? This last bit.
Only last bit.
Only last bit. Look at here. When we got 1 as remainder,
Uh,
hmm, this y1 you are giving. Okay, now I'll explain you why we are giving 1 here. We are giving 1 here because whenever you do division operation, you put the divisor at this place and put 1 here in the question, no?
yeah, ma'am.
That process is like putting 1 at qn place. You look
Okay.
at the q, you look at q, finally q value will be the quotient. Quotient is 11010. Come check it, check out here, 11010. This is q quotient. How you got that quotient? Whenever you are putting b value here at the dividend, under the dividend, you put 1 in the quotient and then you subtract.
Yeah,
This,
ma'am.
this is how division operation occurs. So when
Mm,
if carry is generated, it means that a is greater than b, and here in quotient you are putting 1.
okay.
Hmm. Okay, now the entire process is clear.
Yeah, ma'am. I will check at that time. Also check.
Again, you today you try. If you understand, anyway you are very close to understanding. This process is very complicated, it's not simple to understand, but
Yeah, ma'am.
most of the things
So,
you got.
we do that.
Again, once again you try. Hmm?
Whenever I am doing it very critical, ma'am.
Yeah, it is very complicated, but if you try for 3 4 times, if you practice, you will get it.
Ma'am, in this matter, can we easily understand, ma'am?
This, yes, this is very readable, very understandable. Go through
Okay.
it once.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now Srinivas, we will begin our next topic, which is floating point arithmetic operations. Uh, we will create, okay, this topic we will start tomorrow. We will create one mind map. Do you know what a mind map is?
Ma'am.
Hmm? Graphic representation of a concept.
Graphic. Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, so let us make it so that this computer arithmetic topic becomes clear. Uh, we have computer arithmetic. In that, what happened? We are trying to understand how a computer system performs how a computer system perform arithmetic operations in hardware by following a algorithm. That is what we are studying in this chapter of computer arithmetic. In this computer arithmetic CA, we have integer operations and floating point operations. Computer arithmetic has two main primary kinds of primary categories for operations are integers and floating point numbers. Okay, in integers, what do we have? We have addition,
Subtraction,
subtraction,
multiplication, division. Four types.
addition, subtraction are combined because the procedure is
Same.
almost the same,
Almost.
because
Mm,
yeah, you have to combine them because it depends on the sign bit. which operation to perform. You can't separate them.
Yeah.
Then you have multiplication, then you have division.
Division.
Hmm? In addition subtraction, what do you have? How many algorithms are there? Let us
Yep.
look at addition, subtraction, uh, signed magnitude. What do you mean by signed magnitude data? Can you tell me what is signed magnitude data?
Signed mean and signed mean it is a positive or a negative. It denotes, ma'am.
Example.
Exam. I didn't know, ma'am, exactly, but subtraction denotes three ways, ma'am. First one is signed magnitude and throw, and the second one one's complement. Third one is two's complement. Along
Yes,
two's.
yes, you are right, but that is representation of negative numbers. These three methods, what you said, are the representation of negative numbers. In assigned magnitude, what happens is you take the number. If the number is 14, you take 14, you convert it into binary form. Tell me what is binary of 14? 0,
One,
1, 1, 1,
one,
0.
zero.
This is 1, 2, 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12 plus 2, 14.
Yeah, ma'am.
This is our 14. To denote that this is minus 14, you change this 0 into 1. This 0 will become 1 because 1 denote negative numbers.
Okay.
Okay?
First digit zero mean positive, one mean negative, ma'am.
Yes. That is
Yeah.
signed magnitude representation.
Okay.
Okay, understand?
Yeah, ma'am.
Signed magnitude representation means whatever is the number, same number you write in binary,
Uh,
and
it
just put the first bit as
one.
uh, 1.
One negative, zero mean positive.
Yes, that is signed magnitude. So you are performing addition and subtraction using signed magnitude representation. This is addition, subtraction using signed magnitude. Sign S. Oh my god. Maybe it can't write at this side. This is the okay. This is its boundary. Okay, signed magnitude. First method is signed magnitude. What is
Yes.
second method? Okay, tell me what do you mean by signed magnitude method? Signed magnitude method is like performing addition and subtraction on the number and storing the sign bit separately. Look at here. BS, AS. These flip-flops store the bits to denote whether the number is positive or negative.
It.
Here, if you store 1, it becomes negative. This number becomes negative. If you store 0, this turns out to be positive. Here, if you put 1 here, then this number turns out to be negative. Okay, Srinivas?
Okay, ma'am.
That is sign magnitude. Sign magnitude algorithm is shown in this flowchart. Please go through this.
Yeah, ma'am. Even I'm going through that flowchart and that matter also, ma'am.
Okay. Next, addition and subtraction with signed two's complement. One is signed magnitude, another one is two's complement.
Compliment.
Two's complement, just you said three methods for representing
Negative.
negative number. One is uh, sign magnitude, second one is 1's complement, third one is 2's complement. So addition subtraction you are performing through sign magnitude and through uh,
Complement.
2's complement. Okay, that is about addition subtraction. And also uh,
Multiplication.
we have multiplication algorithms. Multiplication algorithms, how we can perform, there are two methods: sign magnitude data
And combined
and
division
yes,
is
yes,
combined.
combined is called as Booth multiplication algorithm.
Hmm.
Combine that, whatever you put sign within 2's complement, that is called as Booth multiplication algorithm. That
Okay.
one. And last one is array multiplier. In this array multiplier, performing of the multiplication is done in parallel at the same time using multiple components. You are using two half adders to perform these half addition separately and get the final result. This is, there are three methods for multiplication. In
Okay.
multiplication you have sign magnitude,
Both multiplication method and array.
array multiplier. Sign magnitude, Booth multiplication and array multiplier. Now division. Division, how many methods are there? Three methods.
Two. Two.
Three. Three
Yeah, ma'am.
methods are there: restoring, comparing, non-restoring.
Yeah, ma'am.
What is the, which example is discussed in the textbook? It is restoring. For comparing and non-restoring, you can only expect questions related to the theoretical concept.
Okay.
However, example you can expect from restore method. This is all about the operations of uh,
Integer.
integers. Tomorrow
Ma'am,
we
how
hmm.
accept the question, ma'am, and like write about uh, wa- he give some two numbers, divisor and dividend. He ask the demand and quotient, ma'am.
Procedure.
Procedure.
Procedure will be asked. This you have to write.
So flow chart and also
If
uh,
it is asked for 14 marks, then
uh,
flowchart and numeric example.
okay,
Uh,
ma'am.
this procedure followed by first you should have flowchart. First you have to draw flowchart followed by
But
the procedure. However, for 7 marks you can expect only this procedure or flowchart.
okay, ma'am.
Okay. You may get
Is
question like draw the flowchart.
it is fully difficult, ma'am.
Hmm?
So difficult, ma'am.
Yes, so difficult, but with practice it will become easy. Today you please practice. Again tomorrow we will discuss. Now you got the clear idea about computer arithmetic.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, tomorrow we will start a negative floating point numbers, Srinivas. I will end the class now.
Ma'am, I
Okay.
have a
Hmm.
doubt.
Hmm.
Uh, if we languages నేర్చుకోవాలంటే మ్యామ్ బేసిక్స్ నేర్చుకోవాలి కదా మ్యామ్ ఫస్ట్.
Hmm. Hmm.
Well, how can we learn, ma'am?
Which language you are talking about?
Actually, I already learned about Python, ma'am. In that Python tutorial, he said HTML, SQL. So that's why I am going to SQLs, ma'am. In SQL, I already written some SQLs in notebook.
Hmm.
Like that, another ఇంకేమైనా సజెషన్స్ ఇస్తారా మ్యామ్ నేర్చుకోవడానికి?
The only suggestion is, Srinivas, if you want to learn swimming, what do you have to do? First you should know the rules. Hmm?
Yeah,
That person will tell that you have to do like this, like this. One day theoretical part you acquire the knowledge about the theory. Then
yeah,
you,
ma'am.
what you have to do, you have to enter in the swimming pool.
Mm.
If you enter, only then you can apply the rules whatever you studied, the process and everything.
We
If
can
you
learn about.
If you don't enter inside the swimming pool, can you theoretically learn swimming?
No, ma'am.
The same thing applies to programming language. You have to start writing programs
Yeah,
on your own.
knowledge in programming, but I will come to MCA. That's why I have space so lot of problems, ma'am.
You don't know how to write programs?
Yeah, ma'am. Actually, I decided to go to MSc Mathematics, but uh, yeah, ఇలా వచ్చేసా మేడం ఇచ్చేడిగా.
Srinivas, are you not happy by joining this one?
యాక్చువల్ హ్యాపీ అంటే కొంచెం నేర్చుకుంటున్నా మేడం, కానీ పర్ఫెక్ట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్గా ఏం లేను.
Srinivas, to become perfect, one has to spend so much time. It is not easy to become perfect. What you have to do, you have to practice every day. You
యా
have.
మ్యామ్. వీటి గురించి బేసిక్స్ తెలియదు కదా మేడం. బేసిక్స్ తెలుసుంటేనేమో ప్రాబ్లమేటిక్ కాకుండా, బేసిక్స్ ఎక్కువ తెలియకుండా అదే ప్రాబ్లం అవుతుంది. ఎంత వేరే నేర్చుకుందామన్నా కానీ ఏదో ఒకటి మళ్ళీ ఏదో ఒకటి సంథింగ్ నేర్చుకోవాలని ఉంటుంది. దాని గురించి పోతే ఇక ఇంట్రెస్ట్ వస్తుంది.
No, Srinivas, first you don't have to go into SQL part. First you should complete core Python. Do you know
ఇన్
how to program in core Python?
ఎస్క్యూఎల్స్ మ్యామ్, బట్ దట్ ఎస్క్యూఎల్స్ అవి అర్థం కావాలంటే బేసిక్స్ కొంచెం తెలుసుకోవాలి కదా మేడం.
Yes, you don't know SQL basic?
Actually, in my degree, I have SQL one semester, ma'am. But in that semester, we will learn only for exams, ma'am.
Oh, okay, okay.
That's why I face these kind of problems. I in that time I will decide. I will think that I will do math, MSc Mathematics. Why it is useful like that. That's why I face these kind of problems.
Mm-hmm. But
But
Srinivas, I will tell you, computers is better than maths in terms of job prospects. You have
hmm,
so many job prospects in computers, but math means what you will do? Tell me. Only you
uh,
can become a lecturer or a teacher.
I decided to go to lecture side, ma'am. But ర్యాంక్ తక్కువ వచ్చింది, నిజాం కాలేజీలో వచ్చింది అని ఇక జాయిన్ అయినా మేడం, అంతే.
Mm-hmm. No,
ఫస్ట్
no, no.
సెమిస్టర్ డిగ్రీ ఉంది కదా మేడం, అంత ఎఫెక్ట్ ఏం అనిపించలే. కానీ ఫస్ట్ సెమిస్టర్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత ఇప్పుడు అర్థమవుతుంది.
Mm.
ఇట్లా
Srinivas,
మళ్ళా
lot of time you have. You really, I'm telling you, it will be very useful for you to if you study Python. The future is Python, future is AI.
Marsha also told to me, first you learn Python. After that, you can learn another language. First, you can learn this only. That's why I start last 1 month back. Whenever the lockdown is announced,
Mm.
when coming to home, I I am reading daily, ma'am, Python
Mm.
tutorial into my mobile.
Mm.
But in that, the the person told to me HTMLs and XHTML, but I didn't know about that, ma'am. That's why I went to SQL solo learn, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
That I have wrote some basic points in my notes, but how can we implement in mobile? I didn't know about that. I am asking to Arsha. He told me Momento database app, but in that how can we implement? I didn't understand. Whenever I go to YouTube channel, he told me like, different different types, but I didn't understand, ma'am. That's why I'm asking you.
Srinivas, you
Yeah, ma'am.
don't go in all that. There is a Python assignment textbook. Okay, I will share one link with you all.
Mm.
You start writing programs. You should write 100 programs on your own in core Python. Then you should go to Python with SQL or Python with something else.
Mhm.
Now only you don't go jump here and there, Srinivas.
Actually, I leave Python. I will go now SQL, ma'am.
No, no, Srinivas. First, you should become. very perfect in Python. You should know how to write programs. Without knowing how to write programs, how can you do? Tell me.
Yeah, ma'am. But in degree we learn to only go to theoretical, ma'am. We didn't have. We have so many computer system, but we didn't go to
Lab.
pro practical, ma'am.
Okay, don't worry. I will share all the resource materials in the group today. You start studying, but first of all, you should complete Python totally, then go into SQL part.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay, bye, Srinivas.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.